Oh, everybody, nobody is in the class. So, what should I do? Yes, there are somebody in the class. What are you doing, Sanida Ghosh? Sanida Ghosh, what are you doing? Sanida Ghosh, what are you doing? Are you there? Okay. Sanida has left the class, no problem. It is up to her. Sanida has already left the class. Okay. Sanida, now take the class 10 directional method. Make us understand what is the 10 directional method on self introduction, how it may help you, and what are the steps there. Suppose you are a teacher and
Yes.
you are going to teach 10 directional method on self introduction so that student can easily ask question, give answer, and take interview of other students or anyone on self introduction on the topic self introduction. So now, as a teacher, you try to make your students so that they can clearly understand what is the 10 directional method and how it can help them to improve their English speaking efficiency or English speaking fluency. Okay, start. 2 minutes are there. You will be given 2 minutes to complete your session. Explain
I
the
am going to
slide here. Hmm.
I am going to learn 10 directional
No, no,
method
you are not.
in
No,
self-introduction.
no, you are not going to learn. You are going to teach. Teacher teaches us.
Yes.
Students learn and teacher teaches. Learn means to get knowledge from somebody else, and teach means to give knowledge to students. Like your mother is a teacher and you are a student. Your mother gives knowledge inputs to the students, and the students in the class learn from your mother. So your mother is a teacher, and like you, young children are students.
Now I am going to teach us 10 directional
Oh,
method
no, no.
in self-introduction.
I am going to teach you, not us. You are a teacher. Now you are in the classroom, so you will say, I am going to teach you 10
I am
directional
going to
method.
I am going to teach you 10 directional method in self-introduction. Self introduction forward. My name is Dash. Two. What do you, I want to be a I want to be a Dash in the future. Like that. Two. Self introduction backward. I want to be Dash in the future. Two. My name is Dash. Number three. Self introduction question forward. It's mean what is your name? What is your name? Two. What do you want to be in the future? Like that. Self introduction question backward. What do you want to be in the future? Two. What is your name? Number five. Self introduction question and answer forward. It's mean what is your name? My name is Des. Two. What do you want to be in the future? I want to be a Des in the future. Like that. Number six. Self introduction question and answer backward. It's mean what do you want to be in the future? I want to be a Des in the future. What is your name? My name is Des. Like that. Number seven. Random questioning practice on self-introduction. Like, I want to be a desk in the future.
No, questioning,
My name
question
is
only.
Des.
No, it is only question. In this
Yes,
session, you will ask only questions. So not answer. Like, what do you want to be in the future? What is your favorite subject? What is your name? Again, how old are you? What do you dislike the most? Randomly asking questions.
yes. Practicing answering to random questioning on self-introduction. It's only answer in randomly. Like, I want to be a desk in the future. What is your my father's name is Des. Practicing answering to forward questioning on self-introduction.
Somebody will ask you question and you will answer. From the
Answer
from the forward
from the
in terms of
forward.
forward and 8 for random
Yes.
9 for forward.
Practicing
Hmm. Answering to the
prac-
questions.
practicing answering to backward questioning on self-introduction. Somebody will ask question with backward, or ask you will answer like that. Do you understand?
Okay. Yes, madam.
Yes.
Okay. Now Mr. Progoto will teach us. Now Mr. Progoto Patro from Madhurango, and he's going to teach us 10 directional method on self introduction.
Self-introduction for us. Self-introduction means to teach about myself to
No,
what
no,
do
no, no,
you
no. Here, a teacher comes and teaches not like that. Good morning, good afternoon, students. Today I am going to teach you 10 directional method on self introduction. So these are there are 10 steps like that. First one, self introduction forward. That means you will give your introduction like my name is Progoto Patro, my father's name is Mr. And then you will finish at what do you want to be in the future? Like, I want to be a professor of mathematics. Like that. Okay, Progoto, do you get my point?
sir বুঝতে পারছি না
Okay, you are not understanding. I am trying to explain it so faster. So there are 10 steps: self-introduction forward, self-introduction backward, questions forward, question backward. Okay, then question and answer forward and question and answers, and that is backward, and random questioning practice on self-introduction, then practicing answering to random questioning on self-introduction, then practicing answering to forward questioning on self-introduction. Then there are 10 points practicing answering to the backward question on self-introduction. So there are 10 steps only, not 100. So it is 10 directional method. You will give your formal introduction. Normally, my name is this, my father's name is this. That is the first point, self-introduction forward. Okay, now Prabhat, you have understood, I know that, and please try to explain it. Okay, Prabhat, start. Whatever you can, no problem.
স্যার এই প্রথমে যেটা বললে ওইটা মনে থাকবে না
Okay, whatever you can, you start on.
সেলফ
I'm going to
ইন্ট্রোডাকশন
teach 10 direct, no, I am going to teach 10 directional method.
10 directional method means
I am going to teach 10 directional method
I am going to teach 10 directional method.
on self-introduction.
I am going to teach self-introduction method.
On self-introduction. Okay, I asked Prabhat, listen to Surajita, then you will give your presentation. Surajita Roy, listen how other students are performing, Prabhat. Okay, Surajita, explain us.
Hmm. Good morning, students. So now I'm going to explain the 10 direction of self-introduction. First, self-introduction forward. It means you will start to your name and stop when your aim. To self-introduction backward, it means your aim to your name. Self-introduction questions forward. Uh, uh, you will question to what do you want to be in the future. For self-introduction questions backward, it means you will question from backward, like what do you want to be in the future to what is your name. Self-introduction questions like what is your name? My name is that. And what do you want to be in the future? I want to be this. Self-introduction questions and answers backward. You will question and yourself answer. Like, what do you want to be in the future? I want to be like this, anything. And what is your name? Then you will answer. Question randomly and practicing answering to random questioning on self-introduction. And here you will answer randomly question and answer yourself randomly. Practicing answering to forward question on self-introduction. Here someone will question you from forward and you will answer. And the 10 number is practicing answering to backward questioning on self-introduction. It means someone will questioning you from backward and you will answer those questions. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Mr. Somik Saren, it's not there. Okay, Mr. Prabhat, now you continue.
Yes, sir.
Yes, now you can
Good
continue.
good morning, students. Now I am going to teach about self-introduction. On self-introduction. First, self-introduction forward. Self-introduction forward means you can only you can uh, question from forward like what what is your name to what uh, you want to be in the future. Self-introduction backward means self-introduction
Not
backward
question, you
means
will answer. You will answer, not question. You will answer. My name is Pragato Patro. My father's name is Mr. And like that, and you will finish at I want to be a professor of mathematics in the future. Only answer. Ex-
self-introduction backward means uh,
Self-introduction backward means I want to be a professor of mathematics. My
to
hobbies are this and that. Two, my name is Pragato Patro. Explain number. No
like
Bengali is allowed here. Don't speak here. You will be fined and of confined in jail. No Bengali. Speak out whatever mistakes, no issue. But you have to speak in English. Okay, continue. Whatever you can, no issue.
Self-introduction question and answer forward means I will question and I will answer from forward like what is your name? My name is Prabhat. Two, what do you want to be in the future? I want to be a professor of mathematics in the future. Self-introduction questions and answer backward means I will question backward and I will answer from backward like what do you want to be in the future? I want to be a professor of mathematics in the future. Two, what is your name? Two, my name is Prabhat. Say random question practice on self-introduction means anyone can question from random like what do you do, where are you from, and I will question and I will answer these questions.
Only
Uh,
questioning, not answer.
yes, only questioning. Say random questioning practice on self-introduction. Sir, এর আগেরটা তো
No Bengali. You are you are not
practicing
to ask
practicing
anything in
answering to
Bengali.
random. Practicing answering to random. Uh, I will practice from what do you do, where are you born, and I have to answer these questions.
Yeah.
Practicing answering to forward questioning on self introduction. I will question from forward like what is your name? My name is Prabhat on self introduction. Uh, practicing answering to backward question self introduction.
Practicing answering to backward questions like what do you want to be in the future? And I'll have to answer. I want to be a professor of mathematics in the future. So the interviewer, the teacher will ask questions from the backward, and the student like I, we, whatever, whoever there, they will answer.
Yes.
Okay, carry forward. Don't get feared. Okay, continue explaining.
Yes. Self introduction forward. Self introduction forward means I can only question and self introduction self introduction forward means I will question from forward like what do you want to be in the future? No, what is your name? To what do you want to be in the future?
Someone will ask
Self
you question, you will have to answer. Okay. Then 10 backward. Someone will ask you question from backward and you will have to answer them. Okay, there is nobody, so the class should be ended right now. Is that Mr. Soumik Soren right now? Is there Mr. Soumik Soren from Damdam? If he has left.
Sir, I have written.
What? You have written. What have you written? So you send it via WhatsApp in the group, Speak Smart Batch or whatever you know. Well, now I will switch on the recording, switch off the recording, and then you can ask me questions in Bengali. So let me close the English